Hey, what's going on? What's going on, guys? Let me know you're here. Let me see who's the first one to join the live before we blow up. Hope you guys got your tickets. Okay, guys. So for my technical analysis on Dogecoin, um, right now it's currently making higher highs overall, right? Let me just throw this over here really quick. If we draw a trend line from the lows, whoops. If we draw a trend line from the lows up to here, right? You'll notice that it's making higher lows each time. I would probably put it around here though. Check that out. It's making higher highs as well. Let's see if we can keep up that trend. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to fix the connection. kidding me? Hey, what's going on, everybody? We got Dogecoin on the 1 minute chart. Currently, it is making higher lows. If you look at this low and this low, and we're making higher highs at this low and this low, it is currently now it's pulling back. But if we could break above 34, we could start seeing tests to the highs again. What do you think? Will it drop down tonight? Thanks, Holly. Honestly, it's not a matter of what I think is going to happen. It's a matter of what is actually going to happen. And let's be real, nobody knows, right? So just by doing a technical analysis on this chart, um, I noticed here that we're making higher lows. So we had a low here at 25 cents, after the peak to around 32. It held, right? So it pushed up. Doge pulled back, held the levels around 30 cents. Once it broke 30 cents, it broke out and it just kept running. Now, when a stock or a cryptocurrency keeps running, the problem with that is it gets tired and it gets exhausted and it needs a break before it can continue to make higher highs, right? So right now we're experiencing higher lows. So this is a low and this is a new higher low. And we're experiencing higher highs. So this is a high, this is another high. So the overall trend is on an uptrend at the moment. So honestly, it all depends on if people are still buying the stock. If people start to panic sell, then it will cause the stock to drop. Okay? Hope that answers your question. But right now, I mean, looking at it, it looks like it's holding it around 34 cents. It's really holding this level, and sellers not really coming too heavy on it. So, I mean, if we could break above, what is this, 34 cents here, I think we can see tests to 38 cents again. What price did you enter at? Yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. We're testing 34s. Um, yeah, I would say we're holding pretty well right now. Everything is flattened out. RSI's flattened out. MACD's flattened out. Right now, it's just trying to find a direction. Honestly, like, uh, awesome, thank you. Oh wow, when do you think it'll go to the moon? Tomorrow? Honestly, like, it's hard to say, right? If buyers keep holding this level, so you bought at zero point 0.6, I did as well actually, so congrats on that. Um, you know, if you noticed when Doge first pushed up, it actually pushed up the first day it got hyped up, back in, like, I think it was early February or late January. It went from 2 cents to 10 cents, and from 10 cents it dropped right back down to 6 cents and then to 3 cents. So that it was a very volatile time. But the one thing, if you noticed, it was holding the levels at zero point 0.6, right? So it kept holding zero point 0.6 for a few months and then started going to zero point 0.7, zero point 0.8. And essentially, just that holding of a level represents a floor. It's called a support. Okay? So right now, the support was zero point 0.6, and then it's just been absolutely taking off since then. So right now, I would say a solid floor, like realistically, if things were to sell off, would probably be around the 20-cent mark, which is still amazing, right? That's still like what, 3x return already. Now, if it holds 20 and there starts to get more hype around Dogecoin, I could then see Doge definitely continue to go higher. More and more people that buy into it and don't sell, the better it's going to be. Bought more at 11, more at 0.22, want to buy more, 0.25 first. Nice, nice. I bought a little bit more at zero point 0.1. After it shot up and it pulled back, I bought some on the low point, and I went to go buy a little bit more at zero point 0.2, but I didn't bother. I have enough, whatever you have, it's money is money. You're blessed anyways. But yeah, it's looking pretty solid right now. It's just holding these levels, 3.4 to 3.35. It's looking good. I like it. When did you enter Doge, Holly? Did you enter back on the first pump up? Hey, what's going on, Yaz? Just want to check out the live stream, guys. Don't drop off. Just want to check out the quality. Okay, 4 viewers. Let's go to the moon. What do you guys think Doge is gonna go to? And don't worry, I'll be here giving you guys technical analysis breakdown for the night. I'll let you know if anything is good or bad, whether it's a pop up or a sell off. One thing I did notice, I'll make sure you guys are aware of, at 0.50 at 50 cents, there's actually a huge wall of sellers. There's 1.3 million Doge is set to sell at that level right now. So in stocks, we call that a wall, right? Just as we have a wall at point 0.2, so that's why I said point 0.2 would be a solid hold point. Point 0.5 is a big sell point. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to lock in some profits at point 0.5. Okay, no worries. Sorry about the lag, guys. My first time streaming, so I'm not sure. I tried to fix it like 3 times. Um, Plugged it in, restarted everything. I'm not too sure what's going on. Maybe I can close a few things here. Close that. We close that. Should be good. Okay, it looks like the connection's a lot better right now. Um, hmm. All right, so we're seeing a little dip to 3.3. Not looking the best, but it's not sharp, right? These are just small moves. If it goes below point 0.3, then we might see it making lower lows. So let's see what happens here. It looks like sellers are picking up, and let's see if the buyers can hold them down. Let's take a look at another time frame, okay? Let's look at the 5-minute time frame. Take a look. Hey guys, I mean, with that 50 wall, it could definitely come back down. As I mentioned, there's going to be a ton of sellers at that level just waiting to sell. And if we break that 50 wall, then I could see that ride to $1, but it's just that 0.50. Think about it. 0.50 is a psychological number. It's half a dollar. There's a lot of people that are going to want to sell, and in crypto, there's actual shorters as well. So the shorters are also going to want to short. So that is a big level for both sellers and shorters. So there's really going to have to be some strong buyers stepping in order for us to break through that. If we break past 0.52, 0.53, I could definitely see it going to $1. Because once you stop out a shorter, shorters sell coins or shares that they don't have. So they sell first instead of buying like us. So when they need to get out of their position, they have to buy back their shares or coins. So if we were to stop them out, they'd have to buy back everything, which would create it to go even higher. Hey guys, it looks like I'm getting a lot of lag. Please bear with me. I'm going to be back up in like 2 minutes. All right? Please bear with me. Yeah, connection's poor, guys. Just one moment. I'll be right back. Let me see if I could pull it up on a Safari browser. I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to end the stream. Subscribe, and you're going to see my new pop-up, all right? Sorry.